Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in this same page on this very, very crucial civil justice sign off provided for myself. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, in this session, I proved that prostitute Republica Queen Elizabeth II is the COVID-19 plague, and also proved that she created the COVID-19 plague in state of Wisconsin is also proved. And she is the one, the prostitute Republica Queen Elizabeth II, only created the COVID-19 plague is also proved, and also created robocall poverty mandate to I is also proved. Okay, so that is why I want the civil justice to be signed off immediate by the USA government, and I will just read this civil justice sign off to be on the same page. COVID-19 plague in 193 nations enforced to 7.9 plus billions of humans is $1 trillion scandal provided by prostitutes Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and the teams as of February 2021. This moment, the crime is deadliest. So crime one count is what? Satan's alias, Lucifer's alias, devil's alias, sex offenders, wild endangered species, prostitute Republica Queen Elizabeth II is the COVID-19 plague, is proved, and created COVID-19 plague in state of Wisconsin, USA is also proved. And prostitute Republica Queen Elizabeth II, COVID-19 plague, created robocall poverty mandated to I, Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 is also proved. So, I, Vedapriya Prose, should get civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines in front of all nations and entire human kingdom. And civil justice as of February 2021 is prostitute Queen Elizabeth II, the COVID-19 plague, must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion direct deposit to my bank account, and Roman Province Jesuits organizations of USA as in state of Wisconsin, state of Michigan, state of Illinois, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay another $500 trillion times 10 states of Jesuits. That will be 500,000 500 comma followed by $4,000 trillion direct deposit to my bank account, and Republican government and Democrat government of USA will provide the needful finance safe transfer process accordingly in 1 second. Okay, and this is the civil justice I want. Then for Queen Elizabeth, the prostitute, the Republica, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II created robocall poverty mandated I want the civil justice as I am reading it. This is what I want for a civil justice, and that is deadliest wild endangered species is Republica prostitute Queen Elizabeth II is COVID-19 plague is proved, and allowing a venom plague to live free is crime of USA nation as of February 2021 is enough for USA nation to be sealed and shut down. As of February 2021 today, Republica prostitute Queen Elizabeth II is COVID-19 plague and created robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. And it is deadliest crime for United States of America to allow venom, poisonous, evil, Satan, Antichrist is absolute monarch, prostitute queen, absolute queen, Elizabeth II, the wild endangered species to live free in the earth. And Republica prostitute Queen Elizabeth II enforced crime 1 count of at fault and found guilty. Republica prostitute Queen Elizabeth II is she created the disability count 1 poverty disabled enforced on I. Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. Then crime 2 count of at fault and found guilty Republica prostitute Queen Elizabeth II is she created the disability count 2, that is a type called finance disability enforced on I. Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. Then what is the crime 3 count of at fault and found guilty Republica prostitute Queen Elizabeth II enforced death final disability on I. Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. So I. Vedapriya Prose want Republica prostitute Queen Elizabeth II at fault found guilty with 3 crimes of counts to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion direct deposit to my bank account, and USA government should get back the Kohinoor diamond crown that rightful belongs to me, and absolute monarchs must be dissolved in next 1 second is a civil justice served to me. Vedapriya Prose. And I hope you are all on the same page. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.